Be careful.
I gotta push it down the hill.
No, ride it down that way towards Taz.
Okay, sir.
Go that way. Be careful.
Ooh.
Pedal. 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 Good job. Go. You're the man.
Ride that bicycle, boy.
Ride it, son. You go, boy. Ow.
Look, Grandma.
I see him. All right.
He's riding without training wheels.
All right.
He's the man.
He's riding.
Brant.
On that bike. I gotta stop for a second till that guy turns on.
You gotta hold it up when you stop. It don't have the training wheels on it now.
Mine can't stay up.
No, it don't stay up. It's like Kyle's now. What'd you have to take a break for?
I gotta start it.
Oh, okay. Start it up.
Start my dirt bike up.
Okay, start that dirt bike up, boy. Let's see you go with it. Go. Let's see you go.
Boom, boom.
Go.
Boom, boom, boom.
Good job.
Go, Tyler, go!
You're the man.
He's good. I'm gonna have to show Mommy this.
You are.
Says, yeah! That's how he says it. He don't know how to say yeehaw.
That's awesome. Cheesy. Yay, yay.
Yay, yay! Yeah.
You don't need no stinking training wheels.
That's his first time rolling bike without training.
Yeah, I know.
I'm not ready.
He's already a dirt biker.
Dirt biker. He's gonna be just like me.
Oh no.
Not pee in the bed like me.
Brant.
Like me.
Ah! Look, Ashley, that's his first time without training wheels. Yeah, she's mad.